Hello, I'm Dr. Dale Burgess, the Dean of the School of Arts and Sciences, and in this COVID-19 coronavirus environment, my new office is my basement. Everything that I used to do on campus, I am now doing from the basement of my home. My calls to coworkers, my meetings with faculty, which I do through this new organization that we've created, which allows me to go into a virtual conference room with faculty and with students and meet in a one-on-one environment. All of my emails and even the courses we teach using Blackboard, which you're all familiar with. The School of Arts and Sciences is one of the largest schools here at Georgia Piedmont Technical College because all of our students, regardless of their major, take courses in the School of Arts and Sciences. For instance, courses such as English, public speaking, math, biology, chemistry, physics, all those are classes that reside under the School of Arts and Sciences. Interdisciplinary studies allow students to earn up to 61 credit hours. 21 of those hours are arts and sciences courses, courses like math, English, biology, math and sciences. The rest of the hours are from the technical and business and technology areas. Once the student earns 61 credit hours, they are awarded an Associate of Applied Sciences in Interdisciplinary Studies degree. Most, if not all of those hours can be transferred to University System of Georgia schools. So this program is very attractive to students who haven't quite made up their mind what they want to major in, or for students who know they want to transfer to a four-year college but want to offset some of the expenses by attending a less expensive school. Georgia Piedmont Technical College is a great choice if that's the case. In addition, we have a technical specialist certificate. Most of the courses that we offer provide support and reinforcement for the technical courses. So again, regardless of your major, you will probably take courses in the School of Arts and Sciences. Here are a few faculty who are going to give you a virtual tour of areas that they teach. We hope you enjoy the video presentations, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. You can reach me at burgessd@gptc.edu. That's burgessd, BURGESSD, @gptc.edu. And I'm Dr. Dale Burgess, the Dean of the School of Arts and Sciences.
Hello, my name is Dr. Christine Mayambala. I'm one of the instructors in the Department of Arts and Sciences, specifically Natural Sciences. Along with teaching anatomy and physiology, we now have a new course we started offering nursing students called Introduction to Microbiology and Public Health. This is a prerequisite for nursing students, and for a long time we didn't have it. The students had to transfer to other local colleges, but now they do not have to transfer. They can take it, they can fulfill that requirement right here at Georgia Piedmont. In this class, I introduce students to the route that an infectious sample for microbiology, for example, a throat swab or a wound swab, travels from where it's collected, either in the hospital floor or the doctor's office, to a microbiology lab. What we do with that sample when we receive it, how do we start to identify the organism that is infecting? Let's say it's a case of salmonella poisoning. How do we identify the organism that it was salmonella? And in addition to that, we go through how microbiology labs test various drugs, various antimicrobials, antifungals, antivirals, or antibiotics, and see which one is going to be most effective. I would send this information to the doctor so he can determine what is going to be the best, antibiotic or antiviral to treat the patient with. In addition to that, because sometimes it's best, to prevent the infection in the first place, so we also go over microbial control. meaning that if the nurse has to learn how to train others how to prevent infections in the first place, many nurses can get assigned to be infection control officers, especially in hospitals. And they need to know what do you monitor on a daily basis? Are your employees observing, PPE? Are they wearing their masks during surgery? Are they sterilizing their surgical equipment? Are they sanitizing, disinfecting areas that they work in? Things like that. So we learn how infections can be controlled in the first place. And with my background as in public health and epidemiology, I help the student understand the role of the epidemiologist. This is a person who studies the distribution of disease in populations. And currently with the coronavirus pandemic, the students get to hear, the difference between outbreaks, epidemics, pandemics, and we have been really studying the ongoing coronavirus pandemic in real time. We've been covering various drugs that they're looking into to treat it, antivirals like remdesivir, as well as other therapies like plasma therapy, which is a form of passive immunity. We've been covering that in class, and any other infectious agent that is going on in the news. We have covered that, and I let the student understand that, in order for CDC to put out a public service announcements that watch out, there's a measles outbreak in such and such a region, it's a microbiology lab that first identifies the organism causing the problem. Then this information is reported to CDC, and then CDC generates public service announcement. So this is a very exciting course. I'm hoping that a lot of students would realize that we have the offering, and it's really going to be a big help to them when they actually start their nursing career, when they transfer to other colleges, four-year colleges.
Hello, welcome to GPTC Virtual Open House. My name is Mr. Achionye, and I'm from the School of Arts and Science, and I'm here to talk to you about physics. At GPTC, we offer physics 1110 conceptual physics and its lab, physics 1111 introductory physics 1 and its lab, physics 1112 introductory physics 2 and its lab. All these physics are worth 4 credits, and they are all transferable to USG, the University System of Georgia. In physics 1, we are going to talk about one-dimension motion and 2. But we are going to do some demonstrations, and we are going to use this to do some of the demonstration. This is called the Newton's cradle. You probably have seen this before. And if we are doing this demonstration, we can use this to teach momentum, pendulum, to name but a few. If I hold this up here, it has what? It has potential energy. And when I let it go, what kind of energy did that potential change to? What other things can we do with this in class? We can do all kinds of things to explain some basic physics concepts. So I am telling you now, we can use this to explain Newton's laws. We can use it to explain momentum, energy conservation, and then we can also use one like this to talk about what? We can use this to demonstrate, to talk about flow, okay? We can also use it to demonstrate fluid and say that fluid can also do what? Energy can also do work. And what is work? What is the definition? Those are the things that you will find answers to when you come to our physics. So I'm telling you now, come. Come. We are keeping the lights on for you. Physics at GPTC is fun. We know that your math is rusty. We will take you from where you are and bring you up where you're supposed to be. Come and register with us. Thank you.